Don't take this liver support if you want results, seriously. I have been taking it for about 2 weeks now. It does require 2 capsules a day. They suggest taking it about 30 minutes prior to a meal. Kind of hard to remember. Sometimes I even take my first bite and then take them, but I have still seen the benefits. And you can see they're just kind of normal sized capsules. They don't smell. There's no aftertaste in your mouth, so they are easy to consume. I noticed my detox symptoms being pretty strong within the first few days, so I cut back to taking 1 a day, and now I've worked my way back up to 2. But I like all the ingredients in here. I have researched them individually, and I just love that they're all combined, and I feel like this is my new go-to.